Guys, this is just a random vlog and it's really dark. Okay, now you guys can see me, hopefully. I don't know. Let me check. Wait. Hey! Sup, Rose? Alright. Here I am, once again. Alright, awesome, funny man here. And I'm doing just a random vlog, you know? Because I had nothing else to do. Random vlog, so, yeah. So my brother, he doesn't want to be on video, but I just want to see what he's watching. See what's watching. They want, let me see. Let me see. Fine. So here I am. Sup? Who's that right there? Right there. Oh my god. Hey, why are there two of my hands? Someone's at the door. I think it's my sister. Who is it? So guys, that was my sister and my mom arguing, but you don't need to know that. Okay. My brother is watching Pair of Kings. They won? It's okay. Okay. So I am watching in my room. Let's go to my room. Let's teleport to my room. Alright guys, I'm in my room now. I teleported. And this is Final Vision. And I suggest you guys subscribe to him. If you guys did, then you guys are awesome because this dude right here, awesome. So yeah. It's really dark in here. Let's turn on the light. Boom! Okay. There's the light. There's the light. So guys, I made this video last night. I made this video last night. And yeah. So yeah, I made this video last night and I uploaded it today. So yeah, my sister talking, if you can hear her, I don't know, but that was my sister talking. So yeah, and here's this really cool pin right here. It says my nickname. You guys really can't see that, I'm sorry. There you go. See? It says Corey, which is my nickname. If you guys didn't know, if you guys figured it out by now, then my nickname. Now I'm gonna try to jug down this water without stopping. But first, I need to go to the bathroom really quick. So, yeah.
While we were away one night, your grandma came over and
it's hard to pause the video when you're not looking at the screen while you're recording. So, yeah.
That's cool, right?
Trying to find it.
You got the word beach. That's cool.
Alright guys, I don't have much time, but I'm going to jug this water down.
was Christmas.
Disgust. That was disgusting. See you guys later. Peace out.